All right, this is the last in a series of 3 short videos looking at problem solving or problem-based learning. You're going to look at some specific pedagogical strategies using problem solving. The first one is the think tank within a classroom, a small group designed around a specific problem, either in the classroom or in society. It could be a real problem or an imaginary problem. Students are assigned think tank groups by the teacher. This could be a way to differentiate the curriculum. And you have specific roles. This provides structure like a cooperative learning activity. And usually, here are the roles. President assigns other roles, keeps the group on task. A scribe, speaker, and a brain or timer thinks of unique ideas, keeps the group on task. At the end of the think tank, you should have a specific product of some sort. This is an example of a multi-level strategy. Students of all ability levels can contribute their ideas. The second one is decision making. This is a group project again. In small group, you evaluate decisions that someone has made. These decisions could be at the historical level, in society, political decisions, or decisions a character made in a book. You engage in what's called dialectical thinking, in that you think on both sides of the issue. The goal is to look for the best decision and come to consensus. And again, this examines the options and alternatives in order to decide on a course of action. Here is the thinking frame. You teach that explicitly. You can stop and take a look at that if you want. And here is the graphic organizer. There's the solution, positive, negative. Second solution, positive and negative. And third, and here is the ultimate decision to be made. All right, that is decision making. Look for decisions that have to be made or have been made. Could be in literature, could be in science, social studies, could be in history, could be in current events. A solution, positive and negative consequences. Here's an example taken from literacy or a movie. Miss Gulch wants to take Toto and have him put down. These are solutions. They would come up with positive negatives and then come to a decision. Some strategies to enhance problem solving. They should be, as I've said before, embedded in all areas of the curriculum. As well, students need opportunities to practice their problem-solving skills. MEA and CPS provide wonderful opportunities because they're very simple. They can be made as complex or as not as students want to be. And fluency and flexibility. Look for games and activities where students have to use fluency, a type of thinking where you generate a lot of ideas, and flexibility, games where they have to think outside the box. As always, you want to present problems in real-world context to the greatest extent possible. Always, if you can make personal connections to what you are teaching, students are going to be more motivated and learning is going to be enhanced. Capitalize on social interaction. Talk is good. Students get to hear the thinking of others. They learn to think in different ways. They're exposed to different ideas. Use thinking frames. The steps are listed. This enables you to teach explicitly. These are the steps. We can't expect students to know how to use these cognitive processes unless and until we have taught them explicitly. And again, you go from large group to small group to do it individually. And teach general problem-solving strategies, heuristics, and I recommend MEA and CPS. Simple, simple, simple. The best ideas in education are usually the ones that are the most simple. You don't need no expensive programs or complicated teacher trained this or that. Simple, research-based ideas.